something wrong with you or what?
It's not moving.
Hey.
He didn't really want to move. We're trying to get him up out of the water because it's been really wet, and obviously being wet and cold isn't good. It causes sickness, and I'm worried with all this rain they won't use the roosting bars we made. So we're just trying to get them up out of here. We're gonna put the heater in and a piece of plywood for them to lay on through the night. That way they're not laying in the wet grass. Gonna put some vitamins and supplements in their water. And
Where are they? I can't see them.
they're in the middle.
In the middle?
You got,
Oh, I see them.
okay. The weather's ruining everything. Gotta make it through the next day. And then the weather should break.
Good morning.
It's a Monday. Jason's heading to Wisconsin. He should only be a few days, so. Oh, he must have let the layers out. Let's get some coffee and start the week. Good morning. How about that storm last night? That's what I thought too. It's lunchtime. Taking a break, and I'm gonna get these other chicks moved from the house into the mobile coop. The ones in the house are about 2 weeks younger than these guys, so they're starting their 5th week. They're starting their 7th, these guys in here. And today's a perfect day. It's like high of 70 today. It's not supposed to be any lower than 40 going forward at night, so they should be good. We do still have heat lamps in here that can be plugged in if it does get low and they need it. I'm on my own this time, so hopefully it goes well. You ready to go outside? It's a beautiful day. They're so fat I can barely get 3. Let's see if we can do one more. You're little. Come here, you're little. You must have been the tiny one, huh? Can you fit in there? It's just it'll be real quick. Those are getting too big, huh? You're okay. You're okay. There you go. Last batch. There you go. That's better, huh? Looks like everybody's doing good. Everybody found the water and the feed. And all the chickens are finally outside. So, yay. Alright. I just need a little bit more muscle. Oh, there we go. Doing it. I just got off of work. As you can see, it's raining. So, I'm going to go move the chickens in the pouring rain. Every time we move chickens, it's like a monsoon has to come through. Here's the game plan. I'm gonna take this water down, get in clean the plywood off, move the plywood to the front of the coop, move the coop forward, get them some water if they need it. I didn't feel the water jug is full because last time, well, yesterday was a mistake. I should not have done that. My shoulder is just killing me today. We're going through about 5 gallons a day. I was trying to figure out how much they were going through. Now we're gonna get in here, clean off the plywood, move it up forward, and then we'll come back out and pull them forward. You okay? What's wrong with you? We've got a bit of a dilemma. Covered in poop. One of them isn't doing really well. It's just sitting there. It's not wanting to move. And I need to get him out of there. This one's not good. I'll try to help this chick, but I don't know if I'll be able to. Come on, guys. Everybody move. This way. This way. Come on, chickies, chickies. Well, it's the next day, and as you can see, it's still raining. It's been raining 2 days straight now. And I feel God is definitely testing me, challenge after challenge after challenge. I'm just learning a lot of lessons throughout this entire process. Our meat bird that was sick that I brought in, she is the same. There's no improvement. So I'm gonna give her another day. Jason should be home late tonight or tomorrow morning. And if it's the same thing, the only humane thing to do is to call the bird. We can't go on like this. Another thing with the rain, our basement is flooding. So that's another thing added to our list of things to do this summer. It's the very bottom of the foundation that needs to be sealed, and we need to put a new concrete floor in because it's coming in through the bottom and through the floor. This is actually our first spring here. We didn't move in till July last year of 23, so this is our first spring, and we're gonna come across things that we weren't here to catch before. So as much as I am frustrated with how things have been with the rain and just the last few weeks, it's just one thing after another. We've been through enough that we know that the hard things in life is where you grow and learn the most. So on one hand, I'm frustrated, but on the other hand, it's all part of our journey through life of learning and growing. I'm still just so happy. I love this life. And even on the bad days, it's still good. It's like a beautiful nightmare life, you know. We've been going downhill here for a while now, so hopefully we'll start to pick back up soon, hopefully. But we're getting through it. I don't know what the weather's supposed to be this weekend, but it's probably not going to be great. I'm hoping things start to turn around here for us soon. Oh, it's about to bust loose, guys. I've got to get my gloves, got to close all the windows, got to get the plywood in for the meat birds, so let's hurry up. Oh, it's going to be bad. We're moving, guys. Come on. We're moving. Struck by lightning. Metal. You guys better get to your coop. It's supposed to get pretty wicked here for the next hour. These clouds are scary. It's lightning all around us. The sky is just...
It's crazy right here in this dome. It's just going nuts.
Yeah. It's about to get bad. Really bad. scoop, dummies. It's not like a little bit anymore.
It's so much at one time. That's intense.
Wow. That just keeps happening right there. Wow. Those are big. Oh, that scared the
That
crap
hurt my
out of
ears.
me.
Holy
Yes.
cow.
Wow. This thing is a monster.
Yeah, it's probably the worst one we've been through.
It for sure. Wow. That's the river right there. Still going. It's been 2 hours now. Look at that. Doesn't it look like something's forming right there?
On the camera it does.
And all the lightning's right there. This is nuts. Please don't come this way. This is scary. It looks like
that was
a
a big bolt
tornado,
right on
babe.
top of us there.
Oh my gosh, Jason, this is not good.
You're all right.
I'm like seriously getting scared.
You're all right. You're all right. Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Here we go for round 3, I guess. It's right on top of me.
I'm ready to go to the basement. I'm like freaking out. I'm actually terrified right now. Well, I'm happy you're here.
Well, if something like this happens and you're scared, call me.
Into the basement. Look at that.
Video call me. Yes.
This is nuts.
What is that right there?
I don't know. That's what I'm saying. What is that? That's what I'm saying. Oh my gosh, this is nuts. Oh, it's breaking up. Oh, wow. Wow.
I think that might have been the start of a tornado.
Oh my
right
gosh.
There. I really do.
That's what I was thinking. That's why I was freaking out.
I mean, the wind's sucking that way.
Right above the river? Yeah. Oh, my heart is pounding.
We're going into the fourth one right now.
Oh my gosh. It's been 2 hours. Code red. Oh man.
The code red alert message. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for your location. Take immediate action for your protection. For additional information, monitor local media.
Babe, did you get the message where it said like tornado watch? Yeah. Yeah, it said tornado watch because I had just checked it before I come down. I was like, a tornado watch? Look at that dark cloud though. I'm not saying it's a tornado, but oh, holy cow. That's scary. Babe, look at these clouds. They're all coming this way. Right here. These ones and these ones. Why does this happen?
It almost looks like a barrel cloud.
Last week it was over the river.
Well, last week.
Now it's coming. Oh man, babe. It's like building on top of us. I said I wanted to go to the basement last time, but this time I just might. Oh man. I am normally so excited for storms, but this one and the last one, it's really scaring the crap out of me. They're so bad. It does look like a tornado's building, doesn't it?